Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Loading XML data into a pandas data frame is a common task when working with structured data. Pandas provides the read_XML function to facilitate this process. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps of loading XML data into a pandas data frame with a code example. Make sure you have pandas installed. If not, you can install it using. Ensure you have an XML file that you want to load into a pandas data frame. Use the read_XML function from pandas to load XML data into a data frame. The function takes the XML file path or URL as an argument. Now that you have loaded the XML data into a data frame, you can explore and manipulate the data as needed. Here are a few examples. If your XML data has nested elements, you might need to flatten the data frame. Pandas provides the JSON_normalize function for this purpose. If you want to save the data frame to a CSV file for further analysis or sharing, you can use the to_CSV function. That's it. You've successfully loaded XML data into a pandas data frame. You can now perform various data manipulations and analysis using the powerful capabilities of pandas. ChatGPT.